This is my bullnose tile, and I would like to make a cut here, as you can see here. Something similar to this, but it's going to be inside this tile. So what I want to show you how I'm actually going to do it. So the first thing, I'm going to put this tile here, okay, and I'm going to attach it with this clamp. I'm going to use these two clamps, okay, one here and the other one here, just attaching it. So just verify it doesn't move. It's very strong. So now I can actually use a grinder to cut this area. Let me show you how. I'm using the Milwaukee grinder, which is very good, and I'm using a diamond blade here. So this is the cut. It's done. As you can see it, that's the way it's going to look like.